Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Durango SXT all-wheel drive. Stock number E2483P. 37,000 miles on this, one owner, clean auto check history report, granite metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Durango seats 7, cloth interior, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable, middle row seats, fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allowing you to connect those media devices, and that 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials and mirror and power motor control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6-liter V6. 293 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.